now we say o de old woman kotra ka kwan mu ama Wontumi eye wasem because Wontumi ye onyan solid money or see a cassette car when they say Wontumi is
solid money.
It is not about paper money, it is solid money. Me you been chemwana no ye gold and the gold in the kilo $104,000. That's a kilo, 1 kilo of gold. That was the kind of money he was displaying. Ni pasana yachi na wati Bentley mono. There's a Wontumi building na busi ni bi obeti ma babeji na mo 50 million.
Na onwanga so ni bi. Obeti mi.
No, see a chiwa you cannot.
Okay, so I see a freezing account anyways.
Yeah, I'm freezing account but Wontumi believe
until not making sense. So Wontumi transfer movie. If you
no. The person must wet it. The what transfer cannot be too a crime. The person must wet it.
Anyways.
And Wontumi build obia in his family up to the level kakra na below him. You go be otimi ko to Chelsea there. On God build obi na.
But do you think he was serious?
He wasn't serious.
Chelsea,
oh no, he actually claims that he was serious. That is
what $5 million it was just.
Obi a wasi palace and Ashanti region now so or no or no. Do you get it? I don't think say now to Obi bia accommodate. We a party banner accommodate. We a party banner 8 years one who she one nyashe. Wontumi nye party in frau da. Semusumu medibi. Kwasinti bese osi Wontumi nya sika party mpanyifo yere na mo. Eno mudi po mo te se nkate. Onu de no mo re. On kwasinti na kan yo bo ameboa. Kwasinti zo ni Wontumi anante ache. So yazie kwasinti former MP osi dollar no MPP for mpanyifo wives. Eno no mudi dollar etom yere.
First name Kojo.
Ni pasa say yesi mra ni India na Wontumi she demu so na party be asem na wakoye party adwuma be na wakoye ayache wo nye party
wo say Wontumi say no more than 200 houses okumase
no na go the sha manfo dem nim ne ntia jakpaje adwuma ye o
jakpa ma slow no say me ho no
nim ne ntia Kojo friend terminator me ntia waje adwuma ye but this time na ko se cha manfo dem because manfo to go the see a man for to gold NACA. Sammy Gyamfi gold board moon tia. When they move a month after the show, you bet match a man for Mato gold that see. But it got to a point no moon to me first you can see. So they were converting it into gold.
Okay.
I don't think the and political party and community say and can be a quarter radio so and our platform be so can send be no one wapa what you say now buy no to babe foul and the party for in a bocho boy to also jay in the party my yin can be a money to be an power a platform this one and no the any quarter of chinikoshim. Na Sabium Sabian won't be the set will be a bokron, what you must say. And I want to be case, you know. Now, the other one here different. Galam say issues, I contain some different. And some ways to different ways, Kazamia different. Mr. Ghana for Nesika, Mr. Kakakasa Kokodiba Akufo Addo, Abrakwan and Jumadia so did you know. One for any. No to that. Your father say, "And you Wontumi, a normal person be any man contract having a man contract, and a 1 year Jumano, and a coaching and can you be a Ghana for a job say Anna. It Wontumi now, do a cockatata from Sabi Jansa Bumana. It we are from our minister, and now we are from our point TV. Yeah, and a walk from no town said ye. It is a banner on almost on my banner. We encourage them to scan or Muniscana because we are Bonnie Crampa and we have a chance. Most of the parliament. Mona Mushemra and Rana was saying, I'm counting Shemrano and I'm Rana Yubi, Timamuni, but won't be so bien as an idea of him. We won't be to Miss Sukas Ghana for the Mumlo because of Mumunti, your mamma, me say, when you my appointment that my Yabi, my minister, my Nisi Uda, Nanyam want to call some money at the Adian Grofaya Jello. How many of them know your appointment or Ghana? What for Kotukaso Bugana for Kum? And then I mean, you're Makati Kano. When you say Attorney General, we're fine gentlemen. But in you, my dear, as I said, I'm quite yes, I will. Minuma the me ade na da be mo ya we wo perform so performance e wo form na we dey we between na ka ho bo na
ade na peso ho we
na ye ne ba so ma meka banku na meka kole ana so ma de mo fufu ya do ba se sabia mo bia sabia mo ye wo fa kwati kwa so ne Ghana fo ani ni ye no fa ne fam na kwa so invite him paper charges mano Afenyo market charges da ho mo leading nyina obi a charges institution no mum na no ye container ne ade nyina no leaders omu di ade ni nyina omu nyina wo mu ade na won charge omu se ye no wa charge Afenyo market ko transform se bi mi se hunu wo charge na no ko gina ni pam ko boss tro na no ngwase so tro go police ni say se wonu se ni nyina atoni general ni nyina efa emra ade na obi onu emra o hihye emra etimi police ni aso mo bonten ni ya gya na ntima charge ni bi on se gya na mo free Sammy ma we nyina ene nkrofo bebra wonu se nkrofo a atoni general charge o mo fi susa mo fi susu ni obi anu he civic ayi no the big how na the big senior brother what only Mahamadu Bawumia okay what was only na bonto sa grant interview ke ka sabe ense hunu semfo keke no keka but sanko for we nyina issues the whole that ben and ibusa attorney general
Bawumia has been invited or Mahamadu on caution statement and is helping investigate.
PR one inviting.
That's the source of information I'm the man no party.
And I'm see inviting the bay. Echoing.
On the Minister of Energy. Omo ebe report here say container na irano. Omo handi over omo report no to.
Omo check come Attorney General.
Attorney General. Yeah. Attorney General sha say any hwehwemu. Enti Mahamadu Bawumia was the first person I are taking a caution statement. Wabetre na no asema oboama hwehwemu si akoso. Attorney General shall see him prosecuting and say nothing is going on as far as that missing container is concerned. Point of
only 4 years ago. What December 50 years now no deputy MC who say you that ben abeshen some doors. And some doors, or took of our hineba, I Kosunoba, or I sad lady if you outside by Opekino, or Mom Sano, Gifty see you know. Gift him penny for no more campaign now, or may see you soon. What you invite to be, but you got to
just 4 months.
The former Demi County has said, oh, Chinkuko, Abacra in a pure.
I check him.
I want me see you, I may do me done with Mohan and penny for me, Jumana, Samaba, young Musobia, who are not called Kwampachi. Kwampachi no number or no number from.
Okay, Deputy Finance Minister. Any Saturday, the we call Ato Forson choir. And
I mean a different. I mean a customer go one. By way,
your man Kojo and so Kojo you flow.
That I say, baby, I make a also Bamudi. What man say? I know. Nya dia bibia boni omudi bia no I do hwemfifia na kwala na di yewu bibia course bia no enkwala no prepare panimu no na sign one was signed to the other day. Won't you even go to say, Tekani Idion, Ato Forson, there's a difference. What must say? But when once a Colana, you do moody, a gross hand and telephone the exam. And you make us in it will make us a tongue and say, some issues when it's uncle for women. What was an abuse and an abuse on one can say picking the data because of home no, or the Kako was Subamco, one of us started here. Sakro no msate boy no na na bi mu time na start here na number no e form the ntu emu ba no be rezi ba no de course what ma say ba we gana na bi mu nam officer bande den wodin sem fo saa isi se betu acha ko aboni ye mama na fu adwo no ye gana no nam wo te make cha atoli ge na mse no ne niam no bi chadodo 4 months with the 4 months sense ya na ye di bronya ba kwa wi within this bronya se nkofo bebre making sure say ye pinning nkofo amamo na say reset no na no to the committee ma catch say NDC food soldiers resetting the main one and say ge nkofo yi and prosecute omo eno na mo hwe wo wi akwa na de be ye minim say cement bi ete ba e ma kwa ye ni pa e kama. What was it? Who is more see that last year? And no more see this year, so more be a quasia. Or more see last 2 years. This month board, this is a month in iFree.
It's one book, I said.
Yes, nature be a quasia. What was it? And a kwami be you and Sanko for we would tell be because what will be woo or the echo. And there's some of a plans that you will be also yari. Why I come for them pepper someone a crook man on me. What must say, Asa? What to me, what would our dress? What Bentley Marco could do address, baby? Yes, so in the mood was me, Yari. running lawyer Cambum Sadi, ni petty measure, ni penny, every any pay, take then come for Yadian Swadia Yatu about ye. I'm a Baniatu Yamaluzu. Sadia, former chief of staff, when you get a conformal. Mama a man authorizing man, your tears as a way put him out, Sako account. Abaka to a baby, as me and Scabby and Koba Biao, but some penny for to meet Tassi behind, and your kids can be account, and my Nipano, where these guys are DB, I'm on what on them on paid in some phone. What was it? Media answer about to say, Seno, and Indian Boomwa, Yenim son by a dear, but so better walking train near Maso, Baba, your way will be out. I yoke boss, if anything. We matcha. Why deputy? Sure. Who fi Ghana che?
Boss.
Yangu Poishano. Who's a go for me to two papas on one sector? One do Agyapong. Machine and move trade yenya dia mu na bedemu. Senya ye machi pa na dey painting dia obi abedem. But now no so can ko she man odum the phone. Wo bi abefriend bia out of coverage area. Can say now oh yeah Juma papa. No more no more security background and more appointment no. Wo mum performance no room acha. Wo yeah Juma no to say Juma the perfect one. Bi e koso. On fa niam ni agro. One bele akwa we bele e dey ato the cause no. Now my Katina Kasembi. Well, I go pesa and Yamana Baby also investigate you and go forward will be good them. But I wouldn't now you also have 15 million Ghana citizens or the bar. Well, I would ready as we are and together will be the bad. Sana dia na kokoye na otu dago enkofo obi go dem ba no ka no allege enkofo fie gold egu on ya gold kito enieme wo fie na otu dago but be den. But Wontumi, any day, sub baby aba, what take that bold step. I'm will be a muse. Oh, Honoma, a yasing out there, and any party, the OTBA, any part will be better. Remember, you better outside the Eguachi. Wontumi any person handle. Your Kokumasco program, in Ghana, young idea. Your political program, I also a program, this year from no one to win and call Fabic Gabonte, so much no more discipline. I don't know. Also, my governor, we were back chromosomal politics against on the political party. Want to be you, Sakwawi. You need the Fiso Kumasi Sani at the idea, and then one Wabrabo. 7 minutes also security phone book. Yan met to put your say, Mama, where no man take a phone. What must say? What do you say? Wait, no, to that. Miss Selman Penioto. And Kunza go for a patcho. And this is for to keep your patum do. And this is for. Opa much ano matter say and this is for so mo wale obusu ani a we betre di ni boni akwa anu akopa ni chanu game because aniema MPP for ye Akufo Addo mamuom ne aniema we cause e chapa ne dey me the lessons I wo mu no e na me di kan ho asem say okay emre wo we ye ninka so okay enti no say the to me e hye wo nsa there are 3 things as a leader say a guide actions and inactions because there's so the kind who say no condition is permanent. You also have to understand say tables do turn and then ultimately there is also death and it is the ultimate silencer and equalizer. It doesn't care about your status, about the post already ni baby awadwe ni sene ko. Sanema we mu na esi wa brabo mu a it will destabilize you. That's right. And so obi bia ye de tumi ahye ne nsa o ye bibi bia na so kan hu se de di kan no tumi no ho no mu no e betumi afini nsa. Hwe answer na ye beto 2024 elections no. Dentia President John Dramani Mahama Ghana fo nyina jitu mu a na hoden no wosoro a omugi ditu mu omo se yento abanfa ma President John Dramani Mahama na sample ba ko eto Ghana fo asumpa eye the oral Accra FM 100.5 Operation Recover All Loot no na chese be bia ketahye proye dream krono bibia your mind dia bia nipa kuma bi appropriate amom ho a omko e benefit no yen Ghana for ye di djumedi na hye President John Dramani Mahama yes sir any na panfo e wa ban mu se monkoji yen sika ne ye niam e wo abonten so for fambre fie fama ye enu ti ne to aba ma mu no fire enti no de di kan no me pese min kanche President John Dramani Mahama say oni shaking oni fear bia. That's right. Ghana for time na chi. Monsro hwe. More fire.
No fire.
Again, me who adeɛ nso a so far no President John Dramani Mahama waya was circumvent and I say what try to undermine constitution, you know, no idea according to his own whims and caprices.
Okay. Odimrane
so bibi odimrane so ye bia no ye fo so
Accra FM.
Na bio no me nkoye etietie sam nkotietie obi bia meka say oh nkrofo emu man pressure nkrofo emu ye ni say nti no oba be father for ya to aba man so me father for ye hia no say o me father for
ma John Mahama nye father for
there be ye hia no father onye obi a father ya memu no bebu ye
nti mo be father for
there be if you father for anybody yes say amemu edi tumi ahya wo nsa
okay
di no frinchim fair na Ghana for enya oso fa so
fire
hwe Wontumi asem no ne fare bai ene sen ye di kai wa unim no na abadwin say Wontumi eye te say yes yo we are with chanti and I am a hanti friend say Wontumi because ebia aban foforo aba enti ena aban foforo na tu nani ade asi ni so enya sa na asem ne te Wontumi case no sane ete no ono ankasa no time wana na do wo hono mu no nyina no na ne party fo nyina tata no se mra no ene nindi hwe ye fi fa de bedu ha sei o kai say 2024 in the run up to election no you tag for call demonstration echo strike say eyi galamse sania etu atese a yensuo ni yefudie esai no ebe hia say ye de hihye begu akwan mu otherwise almost classroom CSOs for etu omusi ho mu incentral for kra mu nyina mu de mu ho agi mu and enko wiase copy akire no ni ye hu say nkrofo bi na edi Ghana nyam
and obeka organized labor
kra so ye bi na nipa ba kwa ni din be to mu edit inteman wonsam nyina ye chairman wo Wontumi na ni din be to odwa
okay
chairman Wontumi din be to odwa no CSOs for ekase no o ma ye research akwa ko hu se no chairman Wontumi or ye illegal mining and to the extent say no illegal mines na o ye no wasanso twitwa asase eton eje hu royalties
yet is sense be
our forest honum
entino
tano nrem forest honum entino yenko na yenko che no ama abuji na po first letter o de baye ye hu ye a ba bonten say
okay
ye ma Wontumi license bia say onko sa infudie no mu onko twa nnua mu
it is oni tumi sense ase no Minerals Commission for enso de nkrata ba e be kire say sa nwura mu honum no omo reserve that yen ma obia to me say onko honum enkotu the way at the scale omo to omo send man because if the prospecting license there the man no it wasn't some onko full scale mining yes e kone ko hwe enso Wontumi du mu no wa tu onum nyina say ho nyina na ko hwe impact dey so a enya wo environment num sania niama essay a hwe third world country a third world network for okay
research on the Babonte or say we mining communities this year me no kase ya out of 10 kids I be no 2 to 3 cases there you warm with deformity because of environmental factors are contribute to sania omo makeup na ye nyim omo no omo form ye no obehwe obi na nsa obehwe obi nani ne nine all those things nyina and you were talking about the stability level
yes
hwe se si am no ka say se si alum water works for crampus omo use
okay
e de esiesie nsuo no e kora nsuo no se na be ye omo be distribute am yen consumers for no omo say se si they need 10 times the budget se na be ya omo betumi e dia supply sa na ma nyina na sasa de we nyina
10 times the budget
yes na sasa na ma we nyina koso na Wontumi enwa bebon mu na ye ka ho asem a momu se den
she party echi
let me tell you something. Yesterday I posted something on my Facebook and I said that when good people in this country were shouting, were wailing and crying. Their voices, any of them cries, it didn't matter. So, when it comes to a crook like Wontumi, why should his voice or Sir MPP for we more normal we deep for boneno? I don't know more voice or more deep boneno. Why should their voice matter? Or why should their cries matter to us today? Question is here, Bisano.
But why do you call him a crook?
He's a crook.
Why?
Oh, yeah. Wontumi, ne personality, any ni senya ni dibiate no. Senka, if any serious country, in any serious political party, you can't have Wontumi as a regional chairman. At best, he will be a financier. At best. That is, after Okokofa, ne ill-gotten wealth, he will be a financier. But a political party, how many serious to say MPP? Omunisi adunu essential party, no more to get a mobile Jimmy will be nothing. They see Anno, Akwa say, Wontumi cry na ne ho, and no Nujina Honum. But look at the kinds of things that are to me, your man with the Braoka. Did you listen to Nisembia no about Mahama? He went on to attack Mahama.
Okay.
Or say, on Mahama, energy and Mensa. I a secret wedding.
No correct.
Obia the mental faculty here, Jubano Becasa same. What they say, all Kase, all Kasana Osio, Mahama Bagger no crown, the Sia no crown when Yinka crow, as I say, Ogofo,
or so be better.
So be better, and idea. Onima ba.
Na wo kokan no bi koye
ne bonia
bibia
o that ne obia na dwimu da ho be kasa sei on kasa sa ubeje di say chema Wontumi esi onu e wo ho na ohu se president John Dramani Mahama ene ni house help akwakoda na de be ensembasa ensem tan e no kan ye a ohu say no average sensible human being bia be to part na chema Wontumi enam so no meanwhile no wo ne party for edinachi e bonu mumome e bonu so say onko so a hwe
etio
time a Wontumi edi nsem e wo forest ni mu a wo say enfudie say niama no minerals commission about bontin so oni license lands commission for so about bontin no na Akufo Addo kokofodua yembisa no ni speech o kan enka topic ne ho okohonum na ko exonerate Wontumi say akunta mines no omunya eboni bia nti it got to a point that Wontumi became untouchable.
Abra investigation
course no president Nanado ebe sign it clearly no timu say Wontumi yen kana sem Wontumi yobi a Wontumi mbone chem so Wontumi kana
ada no koy account o jubilee na
okay sa expose here ba so ya Arab foi
Alista Matthias yes
or say more than 40 million
yes
every week bia Nanado Flagstaff house I don't know kan
besin the yentima nya Alista Matthias
besin there obi ani won for respond here discredit sa allegations na ba bontin no
tell na wo mka sa Al Jazeera
yeah o man chansan all of these things in aba na member substantive issue
YouTuber
Andra na poka sae se mutie ya
okay
Andra na poka sembi
okay
o say se wo ye Ghana ni emfa ho ni post a wadi emfa ho ni de wakọ akoye se wunya do ho ko hye aban contract mu na wo gibi na se wo say udi na that's why emfa ho ye betumi hold accountable at any point. Whether say who deliver the year and now when deliver the year, no, you'll be on record. Say anytime here, will be our someone.
Because a public property.
Public property.
That's right.
And a public juman so and a oye.
That's right.
And I want to me, oye. Also, initially, no, now per se, on manipulated the cognition of his gullible supporters to make it seem say, or say Mendipos, my CEO, na mendabo do be aso. Enti ade na omo tata me so wan kan chane supporters for say oje contract
eno de wan kan Wontumi ade no wan kan eno amanga na kwa wu say waje contract ni bi me patcho sisu bi osidan ye ho no osidan
be say yes Wontumi because he was taking his supporters for granted or who so omo in smart
okay
into person on kan something na be ya or do be manipulate their sentiments no dodi kan say one menya minister
no credence when you minister
mendi post
let's say post
menya board member
onye board member da
menya hwe iti no na say person che say odo aban we ba ye no ne ho so odo ne sapan na wa aban nim the one si so an kan kire ne party fo ne krom fo ne say time wa aban we ba ye no ye ma no several contract ne sika ombu hu akonta ye
wanka
onka ye iti nra utie na po say obi bia na you know. And to put on record, NAPO was addressing Wontumi issue.
Okay.
It was say, Obi Addo want to abide contract man, and so don't want to for abide na mebiano. And Ranon Efrewa, and Wundi.
That's right.
Send ye fata. Again, Sakol and then Wontumi, yes, see achievement all of a sudden. Night is a news no. This is a wound they see in the past. Party members form here MPP for Ankasankasa, MPP members Ankasankasa, and no more press conference. Call on Anado. At the time,
yabo
contracts are Yadiama Wontumi. CS was for a petition President Ronaldo against Wontumi mining activities. All of these things are on record. It is an extra government no senko say or the Mrano Juma Wontumi nyobia essential by this time. On the name on moi, Yadinu Edin Komo, I see any yin some Unim Wontumi no or a trickster or a conman at best no that's how I want to describe him. And also a master and a craft no and you know side na all year no so one sheni ya obedin so nipa no na Wontumi say na wo kasa wa no katekate say obi ba Ashanti region no anje permit wo honum kra wo nwuramu president kra no wan kasa kra Wontumi nwuramu no sana wo kra wo ye feeble wo ye weak sa na wo ye yale for na ono ye den sa
na divide me person me bisa say adena Wontumi dey asem to na no yare okay say na Asante hene
sa pe because
okoyare
ya sama ino ape no so yare
ana we so wire there
say trick but you see on say na no ye se wano kwa na won san so akọ say na no ye kate na okeka nsam akese I thought to say sa by this time no na ko betra akokoduru sem e ho honom all of a sudden no we feigning sickness as if say ne ho dodo no ana bibi but eno de enkahwe ye hu bi pain o yare mra nanim na oda but ade crop a Wontumi ye ya no asem ne ba ni say wonim say NIB before invite no for 2 weeks na Wontumi ni omo ye hide and seek
hey
yes
one call
Raw FM 2 weeks
national investigations
hwehwe no because wonim me no ka say Wontumi akonta mines account ye say omo engage in some fraudulent money laundering activities bi ntino ye freeze into a financial intelligence center for freezing account
ntino me freezing account
yeah freezing see in some no a dozen
and some
about Wontumi some no a dozen
yes Exim Bank in some binsu
Exim Bank sika so okoji ya e so de koye so over go do aburo wa divert sika no
opoman kra cancer sem no Asante man
akwan ahodo a ye de ahye ne nsa nyina no Wontumi ayi nani efita enye na adwen se oba be ye hu bibia enti sa na ma wom nyina no na ebo bye see de enti aga na ase nkofo ya ade a normal form hu adi is because the bia no at the end of the day the paboni ni bia ba no the for the political party into na de wi a se he no MPP ni NDC ensam wi a nipa no ebe fa no hu adi no sabi o wa fa no ho no de ko asem we ba ye a ye de Wontumi koi mate MPP fo bebre a omubuafu a omu ye complain de di kan Nanabi
national
organizer of the party and make some statement bi a mejidi say reckless any Richard Ahiagba omu nyina mashada na mejo na omu comment no asem omu kan say senia mahama arrest enkrofo el Rambo star mu no say oman take time na say oman hwe yi they will make the country ungovernable for the current government.
Richard
Ahiagba say what Bahama should know ni say
okay
they lost the election but they also have their supporters whether they are wrong or right they can also release their members.
Person
chere say when it matters omo MPP for betumi amakro no menya chese oman no amemo no tumi nkoso na eso mesay oman.
Na Richard Ahiagba bema
enye bema say wajimi na obekasa sa
come on
uwo nyansa yen kasa sa na bi sem na omo kana Rambo star we will agree and we will make the country ungovernable no Sebi o obia wo nyansa wa politics kakra unim de wo soro no you know say sa kasa no kasa ejimie mu unim de ntia dabi when it comes to making the country ungovernable unim nkrofo esofa enye nkrofo na nenam konumu the upper class people like Nanabi mu na bebre because when it happens like that the lower class the proletariat the lower class no be omodano. What you should understand is that they will not identify any MPP or NDC. When you belong to a certain class, they will come after you.
Musuna more business.
And now more businesses. Musuna more sika. Muna more sika. We are goofy.
Etienne case
because when it matters, ye ni mufie, ye ni baby amo, ye no muti, ye ni baby amo mamuo, muhoni ye beba. When you think that when you decide to make the country ungovernable, that street guy will just get up. No, I can so. The poor man no to one and ho no mufie and on beba yen ye beba mufie
maybe say sensem no ayo mo ka mo dwen apemfo ho ofra ho emma ho wo mo ebia ya hang go na hospital. You see when they call for somewhere didn't talk about ayo mo dwen ho de
me see someone dwen ho uni tetio they are doing it for to whip up the sentiment of grassroots, no. But when old subjecting to scrutiny, any sensible year, you will know some di kwasa someone can kwasa because one and a BCSC, country no ungovernable. Yeah, what get to so no what slams some. We will come after you. Yeni mufie, uracha, inti mu musika mu ya bebrena mu pesa mu enjoy no. Mu ya ungovernable na mbesi de edi. How will you enjoy your money? Apart from that, we will come to you. You see a break here when the system breaks down, you will become the main target.
That's right.
Because it will become a contest between the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. The working class and the upper class. Wajin inti sankwasa sem we omukan we no. Men to sabi wo ho. Nyansanim.
Bible said ya.
Utumi ntra no mo be kan kire say Rambo Star enti no obema o na e ungovernable.
Obi an kasa de ntokwabo mem na nkwasa.
Anya nkwasa sem. Nani made bako a esan so shock him wo nsem we mu say. Omo condemn Rambo Star. It's as if it happened today. And I listened to Nanabi again and some of even the national secretary say all of a sudden you know omo for national security for no omo share your friend is saying mask akata omani momu hwe sa mask nsam yi ani kaka motobi nsam yi na ba kosam we
aya waso
west ogon a omo kofa phone repairers for no every circle
some from national security
national security
okay
omo wie no mo show mo ntare and when even a short committee report by they discredited it.
Okay.
So what you people know? Mo pesa mo nche ni se mo ye nipa chen ebinum. Se mo de enkwasasam a mutibi didi afoforo no. Mo de mo ye important to change the rest of Ghanaians in timutimi find you.
But divine people are saying say ya to abanso ma John Dramani Mahama. Senebeya senior no kan obe reset Ghana. Nti na be a MPP here no. Omo hwe nim say anka NDC for enye. What do you say?
Me say Eniama MPP for year now they are even complaining about Mahama on starting you.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
On starting
because some of the things are omo mu for omo ye hu demonstrations is here. Wontumi na omo di na chi no. Omo di na chi say yen yi for den. Obi na akodi ni bone, obi na akodi ni sika. Udi na chi say okwa bomume akwa demonstration no. Sika no ma ubi. Did you benefit? Nipa hwe wontumi makan enra me ni obi edi nkomo wonim say wontumi emo power no oye party bako grand ceremonies bako 5 one fresh executives ono opeki ministers for no for small close people eno no mo ye parties no enti wo party ni a won benefit from wontumi ombu obia onfo obia anya hwe na wa sorry na wo say o kwa akoye wontumi hu dede wo agimi say wo kwakọ esa demonstration say wo ko support Wontumi ye bow ni eprawa nipa no kronimu na me etwe madwin di besi Sir John yes the late Sir John okay Sir John will
forever and ever
Sir John will the properties over 500 any ni niama or will Unim say one wele ba kumpo ama constituency. Ni fear ahodo awasi nyina not even a single room and not dedicated said this one is for the party. Everything went to family and the ma and then the friends.
Not even a 7 okay. San confirm constituency.
And no thing that make us say wo na we party ni na wo benefit ya odi ni we mu. Unya ne so fa so unya hwe. Wakoma se ya po onum say wo kwa support Wontumi no. Sebi onya sabe na o tiri mu cha wo ko
say oje contract sika no so de ko rules number obi
oma obi
akonta mining sika na free ba no
oma obi
ana osan so person kire say okoji sika we sin ba so ko de kodua buru no
oma obi ni nyina ya de you didn't benefit you don't know and when say ya ba prin no na wo say na bi na wo di na chi na bi mu sika mu nya ye from your friend say COVID-19
okay
COVID-19 aduane no yasika ye omuji ye oni give to ware mu na Sammy ukumu no unya bi audi omachi no omkraman padi anu omudi a week no do you know how much at least me I'm close to some of them I know some of them omkraman padi anu omudi kra asompo ne boedin say wo salary or any a week yet these are the people you want to go and rally behind and make noise for. Why drink the whole number? You waste your time because these people are taking people for granted. And ekosi ya no hu say omunya sorry ya na napa. Avido we fa ha na we afa we fa ha na we afa. Hwe ade a ekoso a Wontumi bu afu a esi de na kwakosi de na kwako ehefa no. Enye ne fufuro mu ni o. Wontumi de wadi bone.
Accra FM.
Wontumi wadi bone. Agongo time I close in the bank and raising ben no mama omdi close in the bank. Yes na asem wo court mu aye so wadi for na wadi bim onye hwe yonko wi sky
omususu
say ni sika
no a onya aye no enu bi na bia
so look at the mindset omdi close obi bank nipa no kra wan shi Ghana
foolish mindset
wan say hwe mumu say ya Murambo star na me if obi di boni na ya be yusu commando star ni Jetli ni Jackie Chan star kra na di agi esika on ho no mu I don't care I don't give a hoot.
You don't care about the star.
I don't care about the star because see it can't happen say wo di agim boni ebe wi Ghana man ebe di Ghana boni na ye beji ya de wi no person ni negotiate hwe mami kan history bi nchiro
Ethiopia
Dr. Indum Ode Dr. Papa Kwesindu
okay
or the BOG government of Ghana any sec echo court say
but I had to say chemu mai
who's the time
BOG no watch them sec
me pa say sec no time o revoke
echo bacho betimi asaba
enti wodim say
Sancha say free baby na person
enti Dr. Indum asem no e ba ye no ode wodim say no de o makọ court asem no court en kan wi one day Dr. Indum sorry ya ni fie ni company ni computers any ni software ni bibia unim so mo the national security for ebe sesa na mani nyina de koye ade ye no no ni evidence na obe ade ni evidence ono de be tender e wo court actually as exhibit no o ma sesa ni nyina koye
wow
yes in this country unim say enema bibira na nado ye no ko bibiri ma bontin de kasaye it is some of the things one you might think so my but eno po ye de nkrofo bu afu no but the omu nim ne ka che omo abufo ne beba more. See, Saturday when you na Rambo Star way, ni nyina no, omo de ye Indum. To the extent to say, only Dr. Indum medical case wa say when we ni, o de na ko US or ko BT wo ho no. Unim say they went after Dr. Indum companies or Liberia nyina to try and collapse the companies. Hey, yes. After Ghana no we no, they were not satisfied. They followed the man everywhere. No more troll letters. No more bisa. This man is wanted here. Now they wanted to create a scene. Odu airport no ni ache no. Ni SEO Indum arrested. If you are Jano. So international community dealing now. They just say discrediting no. All these bad things they did in this country. Oh yeah. It won't say. I'm person say. And I may start me commentary no. I told you that when good people were shouting, their voices and their wills did not make sense or did not matter. Enye nda ena nipa boni ni ti se Wontumi asem de e ba ni akase ono de no asem hia da bi se nipa boni ni papa pa edidi no na enya boni de a ende nipa boni ni Wontumi edidi no a enye din ni enya party nka ho na we saso ya futuo e de ma aban mu panyifo a omo nya appointment a omo operate under this government Unim say only MPP for no kasa. Asemo yo be catch on say the tables will turn one day.
San MPP for the car.
Anno mo can say the tables will turn. And I know that a 10 years, 100 years, 50 years and now forever. But you see, when the tables turn now you're on your year. Hey, obi so time said then cry onto me and your bonny. Yeah. Obia when your opportunity to serve under this government, Mahama, or make sure say o clean air ni nyuma ye mom amon kwa nyama tantan to say MPP for krono ni nyama basabasa omudi omunsa ehhye bibia mu bibia omenya bia omudi omunsa behye to the extent to say visa vulnerable Ghanaians omuti outside the crown ponu omusika kra ankrofo esanso ebomu edi omunsa ebomu ewia omu because the government didn't care. It is when your opportunity now will serve in this government kai said you may dear one day you'll be held accountable. Again, you should know in Crawford so you will call your ilk and your cronies and then your backbone. Unim say binu mo ba ye all of a sudden oburefi omu tragates mu ye aduma no
oburefi oh divine asem
no okitadia o de be ma ni ge
divine asem no abosi.
Some of them see come them mom guys anymore. Omo guys transia.
Is a branch executives no be send into mo dey asema soma.
And me catch say
appointees.
Bunya. Ehwe unim say case ba ye. Me menya MPP phobia from me so chale. Kebi maye. Itu ko share me Facebook am try dey bi wo onum say. Bunya osika no. Unkwa na udi afi da be from me say me defend o. Me ti me catch them MDC for appointees in the say. Wa unsa so wachi wa nyame adom wo ato nsam ana se oboa no ma munya madwin sam ne mu guys for no kwa akodi ana se munya bibia na akwa family and friends na mu rafi omo amu omo ti gates mu omo boa mu omo ne mu call ye because when it matters and you come and call us like the way Wontumi is calling his support base and fana we mind you.
That's right.
To say me ti here won feel me oni manya hwe mante hwe na asamaba na o si o sabi o majiminti me meka wan asamo me to me can be man because yemfa yefupan en hyan aben enti mun kai e form for say one day mo asamba na mo asamba na so ansiesie wachi ya obi ni wonu mabebo wachi dom enti senya ebi munya yo mo nko adi ye me see one of the appointees of events in Anado one guy any ne yere omo ware unim say madam be say okoye adwuma mu company for 21 days okoye adwuma ho no there was not a single dom repeat car. Yes, net is more than 21 days okoye attachment on there was not a single day on any husband omo repeat car. Last time ko shia ba ko bi e police hospital o si na adwen mu hyehye no ne tipai no no see you on me kasa ni nyina o sympathy afi mi ho okoya na me se twu o pampa so ni utiri so because mo wo ho no mo no mo ankai obia mo kwa na mo di ye entimi de me ka kire obi bia when opportunity say learn from this na Wontumi case no de opa onnan ne ho be national chairman opa me yosra abofo opa me president whatever it is no enye mahama na etata no yen Ghana for ne pese aba dentia to abaman President John Dramani Mahama say he should go after anybody because nobody is above the law. She sema nanado kran wa eboni na sembra wo ho ni bedi ani ndi obi bia wadi boni bia against the state no ye pese emra no ni ndi see omo pa they can embark on omo demonstration naked demonstration omo pa omo form yere mo kran beto so omo pa omo form bank emedi omachi se omo di boni na mra no be so omo pa achi a ye be so omumu ene mra ne anye omo di se ne fata. Nothing will happen in this country. And na Mahama mon ko hye obia me say obedede dede no de to troben to de o metimi abo aye dede but dede hu wo utumi mbokro no ensan ne ama wo mamu ase na won sanso nya the gravitas and the temerity to come on the street to come and warn us say what the boni nobody should come and question you about boni already we will come after you because we know you have sinned against the states.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.